This is Trevor Wharton, and you're watching a Co-op Minute. Whether you're making small hardware updates to your barn or renovating a structure from the ground up, Co-op has all the resources you need to get the job done. Making updates to your farm or expanding your operation with new construction may be a once-in-a-lifetime experience, but the decisions you need to make can be tough. Co-op has a great team of people to help you think through what might be the best move for your operation. We offer a selection of barn paint, fence posts, and bagged concrete that can help for smaller projects to help make your existing structure get a new look for the summer. If you are looking to build a new structure, your co-op can help you order metal roofing and siding. And of course, you can count on Co-op for state-of-the-art livestock working equipment to put inside your new structure too. Your local co-op has all the supplies to help you accomplish your farm renovation goals this summer. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for more tips.